Okay, hi everybody. Today's our topic is properties of integers. Let us see the third property, that is associative property. Let us take some integers, suppose minus 3, 4 and minus 5 are integers. Okay, these are the integers. Let us observe this addition, minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 5 and minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 5. We have to observe these additions. So I am doing first one. So first of all we have to simplify inside the brackets. So that is minus 3 plus 4, different signs we have to subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1, biggest one is plus, so 1. So we can remove the bracket. So plus into minus is minus 5. So that is 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Let us see the addition. Minus 3 plus, this is plus and it is minus. Different signs you have to subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1, biggest one is minus sign, so minus 1. So minus 3 plus into minus 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 1. So this is minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. In both cases got the same result, that is minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 5 equal to minus 3 plus 4 plus minus 5. Let us take one more example. So that is 4 minus 6 and 5. So let us observe 4 plus minus 6 plus 5 or 4 plus minus 6 plus 5. So first of all simplify this. Different signs, it gives minus 2 plus 5, that equal to different signs subtraction 3. So here 4 plus minus 6 plus 5. 4 plus minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. So different signs, 4 minus 1 is 3. In both cases we got same 3 and here also 3. So from these two we observe that addition of first two integers and third one, or addition of second and third then first one, giving same results. Here also addition of first two then third one. Here addition of second and third then first one. So bracket, just change the brackets. So instead of first two moves to last two. So instead of first two we written for last two. సో ఫస్ట్ రెండింటికి ఉన్నది లాస్ట్ రెండింటికి అయిపోయింది. సో ఫస్ట్ రెండింటికి ఉన్న బ్రాకెట్ లాస్ట్ రెండింటిగా మారిపోయింది. ఓకే, సో ఈ విధంగా బ్రాకెట్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే రిజల్ట్ మాత్రం సేమ్ వచ్చింది. సో వి జనరలైజ్ దట్ సపోజ్ ఏ కామా బి కామా సి ఆర్ ఎనీ ఇంటీజర్స్, ఎనీ త్రీ ఇంటీజర్స్ if a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, then integers are associative under addition. Okay, this is associative under addition. You have to check whether integers are associative under multiplication or not by taking examples. So that you have to do. Okay, so under multiplication you have to do. So under division, third one I am doing division, under division. So let us take some examples. Some 8 minus 4 and 2. So here you have to observe 8 divided by minus 4 divided by 2 and 8 divided by minus 4 divided by 2. So this is 2. So bracket for first 2 and here bracket for last 2. So here 8 divided by minus 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Division of positive integer by negative integer gives negative integer. Divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Negative integer divided by positive integer gives minus. So here 8 divided by minus 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So no need to put bracket 2. Negative integer divided by positive integer gives minus. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Positive integer divided by negative integer is gives minus. So minus 1, here we got minus 4. Both are not equal. So here 8 divided by minus 4 divided by 2 not equal to 8 divided by minus 4 divided by 2. That means A divided by B divided by C not equal to A divided by B divided by C. That means integers are not associative under division. Not associative under division. Okay, so this is associative property. Let us see for subtraction. See some examples. Let us take, I'm taking some examples. Suppose 2, 3 and minus 4. So what you have to find? 2 minus 3 minus 4. So this gives 2 minus 3 minus 1 and minus 4 gives minus 5. 2 minus 3 of minus 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 both has minus signs, both have minus signs. So minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Next you have to see for 2 minus 3 minus 4. So bracket change it to last 2. So it gives 2 minus 3 minus 4 gives minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1 equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. In first we got minus 5. In second we got 3. Minus 5 not equal to 3. Minus 5 not equal to 3. Therefore integers are not associative under subtraction. Integers are not associative under subtraction. Okay, so this is associative property. Associative property is satisfied under addition, under multiplication, but not in division, but not in subtraction. Okay, so integers are associative under addition, under multiplication, but not under division, under subtraction. Okay, let us see the another property, that is distributive property. So let us take some examples. Some 8 8 comma minus 6 comma some minus 7. I'm doing 8 into minus 6 plus minus 7. Okay, so it gives 8 into minus 6 and minus 7. Both are have minus signs, so we have to add 6 plus 7 minus 13. Minus 13. Then 8 bracket off means into. Plus into minus, minus 13 8s are 104. Minus 104. Let us see 8 into, let us calculate 8 into minus 6 plus 8 into minus 7. So first you have to multiply these two and these two. Then add the product. Plus into minus minus 8 6 are 48. Plus into minus minus 8 7 are 56. Both have minus signs. You have to add. So 48 plus 56 is 104. Okay. So in both cases we got the same results. Let us observe this. 8 into minus 6 plus minus 7 we written as 8 into minus 6 plus 8 into minus 7. This 8, this product of 8 distributed to both. 8 into minus 6 plus 8 into minus 7. Distribution of multiplication over addition. So here integers are distributed. Distribution of multiplication over addition is satisfied. Okay. Let A comma B comma C are generalization. A comma B comma C are any three integers or any integers if A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C, then integers are distribution of integers are satisfied distribution of multiplication over addition. Okay, so this is distributive property. Next one is additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. Suppose 0 plus 7 gives 7 itself. Minus 7 plus 0 gives minus 7. So 0 plus 100 gives 100. Or minus 100 plus 0 or 100 plus 0 gives 100 itself. Adding any integer to 0 gives the number itself. Therefore, we say that 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. Let us generalize 0 comma A are any two integers if A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A itself, then 0 is called additive identity. Additive identity. Okay. So let us see multiplicative identity. This is additive identity. So in this multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Suppose 1 into 7 equal to 7, or 7 into 1 is also gives 7 itself. 1 into minus 10 equal to minus 10, or minus 10 into 1 equal to is also minus 10. So by multiplying any integer to 1 is gives the number itself. Okay, so therefore 1 is called multiplicative identity. You have to write the same definition. 1 instead of 0 you have to put 1. 1 comma are any two integers. 1 comma are any two integers, or any two integers if 1 into a equal to a into 1 equal to a, then 1 is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, this is multiplicative identity. So the two identities you have to remember. 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, so last one is inverse property. Inverse property. Suppose 3 plus minus 3 gives 3 plus minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Different signs we have to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1000 plus minus 1000 gives 0. 1000 minus 1000 is 0. Like this, sum of any two integers is 0. Then we say that both integers are inverse to each other. 3 is inverse of minus 3, or minus 3 is inverse of 3. So here what we are doing? Addition. So therefore 3 is additive inverse of minus 3. Minus 3 is additive inverse of 3. Same, minus 4 is additive inverse of 4. 4 is additive inverse of minus 4. So let us generalize. Suppose a comma b are any two integers. Any two integers if a plus b equal to 0, then a comma b are additive inverse to each other. ఓకే, ఒకటి ఇంకో దానికి అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది. రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తే దాంట్లో ఒకటి ఇంకో దానికి అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఇట్లా అంటే ఈ 0 అనేది ఏంటిది? అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఇంటీజర్స్ గివ్స్ అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. దెన్ వీ సే దట్ ద ఇంటీజర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్వర్స్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. సో అంటే రెండు ఇంటీజర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే అడిటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ రావాలి. సో అదేవిధంగా మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఏవైనా టూ ఇంటీజర్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆ విధంగా మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఏదన్నా వస్తుందో మనం చూద్దాం. మీరు ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి, ఇది వస్తుందా లేదా చూడండి. ఎక్సెప్ట్ 1 into 1 అండ్ -1 into -1 కాకుండా, ఎందుకంటే వీటికి ఎలాగో 1 into 1 1, -1 into -1 1 వస్తుంది. ఈ రెండిట్లో తప్ప మిగతా దేనికి రాదు. మనకి వీటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసినా రాదు. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? ప్లస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ 3 3 9 వస్తుంది. అంతేకాని మనకు ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. therefore there is no multiplicative inverse to any number in integers. Okay, so inverse properties not satisfied under multiplication, so but satisfied in addition. Okay, these are the properties. You have to take some more examples and practice more and more, but don't by head the definitions. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వీడియో కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.